Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here. Strongest CPA in the motherfucking game, okay? That's what's up. What is this? The unboxing video. It's not gonna be an unboxing video. Of course, it's gonna be one take Timmy, because I don't give a fuck. Alright, let's get this in. I did this before, but this is my silver play button, man. So this came in the mail yesterday. And I was like, yo, I'm gonna do it like this, I'm gonna do it like this. Actually, I opened it yesterday, and so I messed the unboxing up. But here this baby is. Here this baby is. It's pretty heavy. If I would weigh it, it would be maybe, let's see. Can it zoom in on this? Can you all see that? What did it say? Presented to CPA Strength. Oh, and it's backwards and whatnot. Okay, great. Presented to CPA Strength for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. And look, there's a little mirror there. Look, there's you guys. That's what I'm seeing. So yeah, hit 100,000, 100K. Of course, I'm about 108,000 subbies right now. And it took maybe a month and a half, 2 months for me to finally get it. You know, going through like tech support and all this and that, but we're gonna read, so it came in that nice box, and then it came with a nice letter from Susan Wojciechowski herself, and then this little business card or whatever. So this says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and wanted your experience to be exceptional. This package was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. No, man, it came perfect. I think it looks great. You can see how big it is, and yeah, I think it looks great. I guess they did change it. It used to be am I gonna say, oh my god, hey, look, pop up here. I'll put what the old play button used to look like. It was like gold or something. Anyways, this is my baby, and we'll read this real fast. The note they sent, and you know, a lot of you people, a lot of you that are watching right now are subscribed. And if you subscribed, you helped me get to 100,000. So this is one of my great achievements. I think there's somewhere close to 30 million YouTube channels that make videos. There's about 100,000, maybe 120,000. We'll just say about 100,000 channels that have 100,000 subscribers. So I'm in the top, you know, the top echelon of subscribers. Even though my channel is not getting a lot of views right now, I consistently get a bunch of views. But that's not about that. This video is not about my downfall. This is about getting to this prestigious place with the amount of my subscribers, you know, being happy with it. It's okay. I don't have to, you know, I can take some time for myself, and I can just be happy for today. Like, be happy for today. I got this. So what is it? So what does this say here? And this is really nice paper. This is really nice paper. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Well, I do like the money every month, Susan. Sorry. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Sujin Wojciechowski, CEO of YouTube. Personally signed to me. She knows I'm coming after that Millie baby. My camera's blinking. Gonna be out of power soon. So what can I say? What can I say about my play button here? What can we say about it? Give or take, it took me 4 years to get 100,000 subscribers. I don't really quite remember, because I remember having no subscriber. You know, I remember having, I believe, 1 subscriber from an alt account of mine. And I believe, so I went from there. You know, I remember having 100 subscribers. I remember 1,000 subscribers. I remember my 3rd or 4th video, but was actually the first after I quit my job in August of 2015. I remember that video. I thought, oh, that one's gonna do numbers, man. I'm gonna be a superstar. It didn't really do nothing. It was hot trash. You know, quite honestly, I don't know. My video editing really hasn't gotten too much better. I don't know if my speaking's gotten too much better. But one thing is, though, I did go hard in the paint for almost 500 videos now. So I'm 500 videos deep. I did about 200 straight days of videos, video a day for 200 straight days, 2 years ago. Or yeah, about almost 2 years ago. You know, what can I say? This really does mean a lot to me. I think my negativity, my depression tried to get the best of me. Like, I didn't even go right home yesterday. I was working in the office, and I had this sent to the house, and I didn't even go right home. And I was like, oh, fuck that, whatever. But you know, it really does mean a lot, and I'm excited to have it. I thank everyone that subscribed to my channel. This is, you know, it could definitely be more, of course, but on the positive side, I have stuck with it for 4 years, and I'm still here. And so yeah, I wanted to do this, and I'm excited to have 100,000 subscribers. You know, it really is. It's just a metric. It's a number, which doesn't change a lot, which doesn't mean everything. Not sure where I'm trying to go with this video anymore. Someone, I can tell you though that this was a lot of hard work. I hope it inspires somebody that is thinking about starting a YouTube channel, who has a YouTube channel. You know, it was the basic accounting videos that did it for me, that made people watch my channel, want to subscribe for my channel. Probably about half of all my subscriptions comes from my secret video, but I kind of funneled everything into that. And yeah, that video has like 2.5 million views right now. And I didn't start my channel doing basic accounting videos. I didn't start talking about CPA exams, so I switched it. As you all know, lately I do like some workout videos. I do IRL live streaming, all kinds of different stuff. So you don't have to stick with a certain subject really, or with what you started with. Doesn't have to finish with. And, I'm not a movie maker. I'm not a public speaker. Well, I guess I wasn't before I made all these YouTube videos. I'm pretty comfortable in front of the camera now, in front of an audience. Although I gotta work on my uhs. You know, I am just a regular guy, and for some reason YouTube captivated me, and I decided to start making videos. And I got serious about it 4 years ago, August of 2015. It's August of 2019 right now, because I had put on videos before, but got embarrassed of them, what people would say, what jobs might say, and took them down. Then I decided, hey, you're gonna go work for yourself now, so I don't give a fuck, you know, it don't matter. I know it's cliche, but if I could do this, anybody watching can do this. You really just have to stick it out. You have to be consistent. You gotta try to make better videos than you did before, although I have not done either of those really to a good level. But really, anybody can get the 100K plaque. And so yeah, this is just really nice. Gonna hang this up somewhere in the office. I'll show it to you, and yeah, bye for now, peoples.